Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements, and before I start this video I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who signed up to our trading signal group this weekend and took advantage of that 25% sale that we had on offer. Just want to say a huge thank you to everyone, as it was a record breaking weekend with our most ever number of clients signing up over the weekend. So once again, a huge thank you to everyone and welcome to our team. However, if you weren't able to take advantage of our sale, do not worry. You can still join our trading signal group for a very small fee of $199. This entitles you to a 12 months subscription. All you have to do is simply visit our website at www.dailymarketmovements.com, where you can purchase the package for a very small fee of $199. So in front of me is the British pound over the US dollar chart, and as you can see today we have been rather flat. We are currently trading at that 1.23780 level. Where do we go from here? It's a bit of a tricky question. RSI, we are in the middle. We have broken above that 1.20 level. A very bizarre false breakout. A lot of people would have been selling the market here. However, I did mention that the RSI was extremely overbought last week and we needed this pullback, and we got the pullback. However, I'm still bearish on the British pound US dollar. I do not buy this false break. I think we will revisit that 1.20 level. I have been a seller, and I did post a trading signal on my group today when we were trading at that 1.24500 level with a take profit at the 1.23500 level. So that's nearly 100 pips that we've gained there, and we are just about to hit our take profit. We come very close just 10 minutes when we're trading at 1.23540. So we were only 4 pips away, but I'm confident that we'll get there in the next hour. So well done to everyone who got involved in that signal and is making good money. 1.20 is the all-time low for the British pound. This is where we were trading at back at the Brexit vote in June and July 2016, as you can see on the map here. And we revisited that level back in September 2019, and we have broken below it this weekend, which is a lower low and is a very bearish sign for the British pound US dollar. I would only be willing to buy this market long term if we can break above that 200-day EMA, which is currently at that 1.27 level. But before that, we still have a bit of noise with the 50-day EMA, which will also offer some sort of resistance. So I would say now is a pretty much here to that 50-day EMA. If we do come into contact with that 50-day EMA, then I would be a seller of this market, trying to pick up value, aiming for that 1.20 level. I think we will get there sometime this week or potentially next week. And if we can break below there, then it's very simple. We go to the lows of that 1.15 level, which we reached last week. I have no intention in buying this market, as I mentioned before, unless we do break above that 200-day EMA. In terms of the RSI, we have plenty of territory to move back towards that downside, as we have recovered from going as low as 60, which is just pretty insane. It's very rare that the RSI goes that low. If you get 25 or 23, that's pretty much as low as you will see it go. However, 16 is just unbelievably unsold, and that is why we have seen a pullback in this market. But it does not hide the fact that the British pound had a huge sell-off last week, and it's a very bearish sign. And as I mentioned before, 1.20 I expect to be touched within the next week or two.